how to fix a disabled chess.com account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to reach out to support and get your account resolved. First, open the chess.com app on your Android device. After that, tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap on Support. At this point, you'll be taken to the support page where you can chat with the support agent. In the next step, tap on Start Conversation to begin the chat. Following this, the agent will first suggest some help articles, but go ahead and tap on Get More Help to connect directly. Once done, tap on the message bar at the bottom of the screen to bring up your keyboard. From here, type in something like, "My account has been disabled, how do I fix it?" Or feel free to describe your issue in your own words. At this stage, tap the arrow icon to send your message and wait for the agent to respond. After this, the agent will ask for some details like the email address associated with your account. Go ahead and enter it and tap Send. Finally, follow all the instructions the support agent provides, and they will guide you through the steps to get your account back up and running. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your disabled chess.com account on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.